Hello everyone, Umesh Bharadkar here. In this video, I will show you modern card control in Power Apps. This modern card control helps you design the clean and responsive design with minimum efforts. If you are building with any product listing, employee profiles, or summary, this control save your lot of time. So the first, what is the modern card control? The modern card control is a part of new modern card control experience in Power Apps. It allows you to display the information in structured card layout using a title, subtitle, description, image, icon, and many more actions. So now let's see how to insert the modern card control. In left panel of this Canvas app, here the card control is available. Okay. Also, using insert menu, you can add the card control. So here, let me add this. So once you insert it, a default card layout will appear on your screen with this layout. Okay. So here there are multiple properties are available in right panel. Here we can see also inside this properties drop down, you can explore all this. So in today's video, I will show all the general properties of this card control. Okay. So the first property is direction. So there are two options. One is horizontal and the second is vertical. So if you select horizontal, here you can see the first image will display, and after the image it will display title, subtitle, or all this thing. So in it means in a horizontal manner, it will display the card layout. Okay. So here let me select the vertical. Now the title. So for example, if you want to add any title for your card layout, so here you can add the title. Okay. Now the subtitle, you can add the subtitle below the title. Okay. So first let me add the title. Here let me give employee onboarding. Okay. From here you can add also from this expression formula bar, you can also add the title. Okay. Now subtitle. Same. From here you can select the subtitle, or from here once you select the subtitle, now the description. If you want to add any description inside the card layout, also you can add the description. Okay. Now the image. So this is the main image. So the next image property. Using this image property, you can add any image inside the card layout. So there are multiple options here also, like stock images. So using stock images, you can add any images. Okay. Then here upload. Using upload, you can upload any image from your desktop. Okay. Also here, if inside your media, if any images are available, so you can add it. Okay. So let me pick the image from the media. So for example, here let me select the employee onboarding image. Okay. So here you can see. Now the next property is the image placement. So as per name, this image placement property will give you change the location of image. Like if you want the image before header, okay, like this. currently before header. So this is the header, like title, subtitle, description. So this part is the header. So before the header, if you want image, so you can select before header. For example, if you want after the header, so here you can see it changed the location of this image. Okay. So next, header image. So the header image is before the title. It, if you want any add any icon or any image, so you can add it. Okay. So first let me change the image placement as before header, and here inside the image position, here these are the few positions are available, like center, fill, fit, okay, stretch, tile. So these are few image positions. Okay. Now the header image. So header image, it gives you to add any image here inside the header. Okay. So let me pick the employee onboarding icon. So it will change the header image. Now the behavior property. So these are the few common properties, like if you want to display mode, set it as a view disabled, so you can change it. Okay. So here let me change the border radius as 25, so it automatically change the border radius. Drop shadow, let me change the drop shadow as bold. Okay. So these are the properties of card control. Now let's take one example of card control. So for example, if you want to create one dashboard or a home screen for your application. Okay. So now for my application, the requirement is to create one home screen with this menu. So this is the menu collection call menu. So what I will do here, let me add one gallery. Okay. Blank vertical gallery. And here, let me adjust the height and width of this gallery. And inside this gallery, let me give the data source as call menu. Okay. And here now I will add the card control. Okay. And let me set the wrap count as 2. Now let me set the height and width of this card control. Okay. Now we have one collection. Okay. So inside this collection, if you see, there are few columns or properties available, like description, header image, ID, main image, navigation, subtitle, title. So now what I will do here, for direction, let me select the vertical. Okay. Now for title, let me add the this item dot title. For subtitle, let me add the this item dot subtitle. Okay. Description, this item dot description. For image, let me add the main image. Okay. Image placement, let me keep as it is. Here, image position also let me keep as it is, or let me set at fit. Okay. And here, header image, let me set as header image. And here I will give the drop shadow as bold. So here you can see, using the card control, you can create one nice home screen. Also, For card property, there is one property called on select. Okay. So this is the common property for each control. So here, let me add the on select property, navigate to this item dot navigation. So when you click on this employee onboarding, it automatically navigate on the employee onboarding screen or all student screen. Okay. According to the navigation. Okay. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.